This is Dr. Lau. Help with the X-ray scan. Dr. Lau, this is Jeremy.
Hi, Jeremy. Can you please slow down here? You'll see you have osteosarcoma.
What is that?
It's a cancer that starts from the bottom.
You mean bone cancer?
Yes, I'm afraid so.
Oh my god. I have so much to live for.
Calm down.
I'll have to remove it if you want it out.
Yes, please.
Tomorrow at 12 o'clock, come back here.
Okay.